FDX stock analysis next week, Monday. Is it a buy or a sell? Let's see where is it going in the next upcoming days, weeks, and months. I want to start off by saying that FedEx stock is interesting. You know, $254 is where we're at. But it does not look good. Now, I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors. I've called out thousands of great predictions, and all of it is documented on my YouTube channel. Specifically looking at FDX or FedEx, it's rough. It's rough. Although we can argue this is still a good demand, doesn't mean that it's gonna hold or anything. I mean, the only thing that we can do is pretty much wait to see what's actually gonna happen. But the only time about what I'm actually gonna act, if you be like, Mr. Siko, when are you gonna be bullish and buy? Necessarily speaking, never, because this is a demo simulated account, so this is not financial advice. But I'm only really gonna be bullish if the price shows me a shift, and now it's not there. So like, am I going to be getting involved? Not necessarily. I'm going to be on the sidelines and looking at other ticker symbols. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple yet lean way, you can click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.